Hi, we are now in day 2 of our Tsonga lessons, and today we will just we will just deal very slowly. But before I will start for the next lesson that we are going to tackle today, let us have a little bit of review of what we have studied the last time. In day 2, so the last time we were studying about infinitives and present tense, especially the basic one, no, kutisa, to bring, to put, to take, kuveka, and how to use this one as an imperative. And then we have another infinitive, to come and to go, and how to use that one as an imperative. So we have some words that we have to use in order to make simple sentences. Halino, haleno, kuala, orla, or kuale. Inkomo, jikinzile, thank you. Shenkwa, bread, butire, nyama, meat, vuswa, porridge, masi, milk, and etc. Yeah. And then we also have here little sentences. Tisa, vuswa, haleno, which means to bring the porridge, vuswa, and haleno. So tisa, vuswa, haleno, bring the porridge here. Or teka, mati, teka, mati, lahaya. This one, where's the lahaya? Lahaya. So take the water over there. Or veka, put, matanza. Matanza means eggs. This one. Haleno, so put the eggs here. Or veka, shenkwa. Veka means to put. And then shenkwa is bread. And then coffee, and then kuala is here. So veka, shenkwa, ni coffee, kuala. So put the bread and the coffee here. So that was the first day of our lesson. Today we will try to take the negative form and the imperative form using the singular. Using singular. So as I've said, we are still on the very basic. So negative form, imperative form, and then after that one we will end, and just for a few sentences, and we will have review after. This is it when we conjugate. This is in English: you, I, you, he, she, or it. Then we, you in plural, and they plural. So singular: I, you, he, she, or it. And then we, you plural, and then they. So when you make an imperative, you just use the word gatsuke. Gatsuke. So now we will take an example of the verb to enter. To enter is ngena in Tsonga. So you say ngena. U means in Z. U means you. Because when you make an imperative, you're only referring to singular you and then plural you. So in the singular you, there are two forms in making an imperative. You say ongatsuki, which do not. You do not enter. So, and then you just have to repeat here. So ongatsuki, ongangena. Ngena is the verb, so do not enter. And the shortcut is onga ngeni, do not enter. So if you want to, you say put onga tsuki o veka, onga tsuki o teka, onga tsuki o tisa. So you just use this one for the singular verb, only you, and then plural will be me. So I repeat. Ongatsuki means do not. So you do not in singular. Ongatsuki ongeni, do not enter. Ongangeni, the shortcut, do not enter. Now the plural, me. Me is you here. So, minga tsuki mi ngena. So this one, it means that telling to a group or more than one person, minga tsuki mingena, do not enter. And the shortcut, mingangeni, do not enter. Mingangeni, do not enter. So I made a mistake here, mingangeni, do not enter. So it's very simple to make the negative form or imperatives using this one. So now we go to the another long form of the plural. So minga tsuki mi tisa. Tisa is to bring, no? So do not bring the bread and coffee. Mingatsuki mi tisa shinkwa ni coffee itafolin. Actually, it's better to use this veka. And we use here also veka, so it's more clear. So mingatsuki mi veka shinkwa ni coffee itafuleni. So do not put the bread and the coffee on the table. And the shortcut, mingaveki, I made a mistake again. Mingaveki. What is the difference of the short and the form? You will ask this one later. So, mingaveki shenkwa ni coffee itafuleni. The shortcut, it is the long form is ungatsuki ungena. In shortcut, this is the difference here. You change it into I, ongangeni. The same thing with in the plural, ungatsuki, mingatsuki, miveka shinkwa. So minga vike shinkwa. Ini coffee itafuline. So that is the very simple one. Then we have some articles also. Bring a spoon. Bring the spoon. Tisa lipula. Lipula means spoon. In Tsonga, generally, there is no article. So, tisa lipula or tisa mati, bring the water, but in tisa mati. So, there is no article in general for the Tsonga people. So, if we have to look this one again, please be careful always to use the proper English conjugation I, so that you will understand this one. Let me write it for you. This will be I, you, he, she, and it. This is we, and this is they. So when you make an imperative, you only use this one and this one. So which means you only use u and me when you ask or when you command to somebody. So that makes it very simple because you only have to use the simple in singular and then also in the plural. Ongatsuke is very common. So you just say ongatsuke ongena or ongangeni. Mingatsuki mingena mingangeni. Mingatsuki mi veka shinkwa ni coffee itafuleni. Mingaveki shinkwa coffee itafuline. And then I would like to remind you again that in Tsonga, generally there is no article. So I hope you will have time to review from the beginning, the first lesson that we had up to this time. So let me take a closer view so that you will see this one. This is the second lesson. So I hope you learned something from that one. It's very, very short this time. We will deal little by little, and so that we can also make simple sentences. So far we have already done the second day of our Tsonga lessons. As I've said, I am not a Tsonga speaker, but I am following very well the grammar of Tsonga using proper conjugation and also the forms, tenses, and also the grammar here. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it.